with GymRa, and welcome to my head to toe workout that I've set up for you guys. It's gonna be great. You're gonna love it. Stick with me. I'm gonna work out your entire body. All you need is a set of 3 to 5 pound dumbbells. If you're really ambitious, you can go a little bit heavier, but there's really no need to do that if you do the moves correctly. So let's get right into it, okay? We're gonna start off with a low to high wood chop. So I want you to get both of your weights, okay? And it's gonna look a little bit something like this. We're gonna do 10 on each side. So you just squat down a little bit, go to your left-hand side first, come up and pivot on that left foot, just like you're chopping wood, okay? So we're gonna do 10. All right, let's go, guys. Slow and steady, especially on the way down. Focus on contracting those muscles, keeping that core engaged, slow and steady. Oh, great job, guys. Switching it on over to the other side real quick. You should feel it in your glutes, your quads, in your shoulders. This routine is all about combo moves. We've got 5 more. Give me 1 more. Perfect. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever done curtsies before, but you're gonna need to keep your weights in hand. It's kind of like a reverse lunge, but instead you're going a little bit at an angle and curtsying. So, in order to incorporate the whole body and do a head to toe workout as promised, we're gonna also do a curl, okay? So we're gonna do 10 of these on each leg. So you can start with either leg, but I'm gonna start by stepping back with the right leg. So it's gonna look a little bit like this. You just step back, curtsy down, and curl simultaneously, and back up. You ready to go for 10? Alrighty. Again, slow and steady. Breathe, focus on that balance. This is a little bit of a balancing act. If you need to, you can look at a spot about 4 feet in front of you. Got 3 more, you guys. Until we switch to the other side. 2, and give me 1 more. Perfect. Switching it on over. Be careful of that knee, right? We don't want to bang that knee on the ground. But we still want to make sure we're getting down low, because that really engages your glute. And we all want that nice little bubble bed. Got 5 more, guys. Give me 1 more. Great. Now, keeping those weight in hand, we are gonna hit the hamstrings next. So you know what that means. We've got a deadlift coming your way. So I'm sure you're familiar with the deadlift. You're gonna keep a little bend in your knee, right? And just deadlift down, pull up using your hamstrings, and simultaneously do an upright row like you're placing your weights on a shelf, okay? Just like that. So we're gonna go for 15 of those. Again, you can do less or more than I'm doing. You can always pause me if you want to. This is just recommended. You can also do another circuit if you'd like. Okay, let's go for 15 of these. So I'm sure you can feel you're really working your hamstrings. Shoulders a little bit. Squeeze those glutes to the top of that deadlift. We got 5 more. These don't really feel like they're doing all that much. I know you probably feel like you could use a lot more weight, but trust me, if you don't do a lot of these, you'll be feeling it tomorrow. We got 1 more after this. Perfect. Weights in hand, yet again. We've got one of my favorite moves coming up, okay? This is actually one of the first moves that I learned when I got into the fitness business, and I do it all the time. It's a go-to. So you're just gonna squat, curl, and press. So we're covering the whole body from head to toe. It's the name of the workout. So you're just gonna squat, wide squat, right? Curl, and press up. So we're all encompassing with this one. And we're gonna do 15 of those. Nice steady pace. All right, let's go. Keep your weight in your heels when you squat. Easy on the way down with those weights. Make sure you keep breathing. Do you guys like my pants? Kind of fun. If you want to, knock those weights at the top, right, of this move. That'll increase your bone density, which we all want, because as you get older, that tends to decrease. We got 5 more. You can go at my pace, or you can go faster, slower. 3 more, you guys. Make sure your knees don't jut past your toes. We don't want that, right? So you're maintaining good form the entire time. 1 more. Great. Continuing with the theme of our booty and quads, we're gonna do a goblet squat next. Now you can use either 1 dumbbell or 2, depending on how you're feeling, right? But I'm gonna go for 2. I'm feeling ambitious today. So I want you to just place the weights right here at your chest. We're gonna take a wide stance with those feet, and then you're just gonna squat, and we're gonna go for 15 of those, okay? So just keep a nice steady rhythm. Hitting your quads and your glutes primarily. And adding that little bit of extra weight makes a ton of difference. It really helps you sculpt those muscles. And don't forget to get some cardio in. There's not any cardio in this. That'll shred your fat so that you can actually see the muscles that you're building here. We've got 5 more to go, guys. One more. Perfect. Moving on up to the arms now, okay? We're gonna do a bent over row with a kickback. So it's pretty much just like it sounds, okay? You're just gonna bend over, you're gonna row up and kick back, right? And keep those elbows up as you're kicking back. That's really working that tricep. So what we're gonna do is go for 15 of those, okay? You can do it. You ready, guys? Nice good bend in your knees, weight in your heels. You got it. And come down the same way you came up. These dumbbells are light, but you'll feel them after a little while. The main thing is just to keep those elbows high. We got 5 more. Back straight. One more, guys. Great. Okay, now we're moving it along to the front of the arm for some bicep curls. We're also going to engage that core, those glutes, quads, and everything by doing an iso squat at the same time as we curl, okay? So just get down into that low iso squat. Iso means you're just staying right here. You're not moving up and down. Okay, and then we're just gonna alternate for 40. So you're gonna end up doing 20 on each arm. You ready? Okay, let's go. Just curl nice and steady. Feel it in those biceps. We've only got one more exercise after this, so you're on the home stretch. Good job. Way to stick with it. You should be feeling the burn right about now in your biceps and in your legs and glutes. We got 5 more on each side. Three more on each side, guys. Get a nice little rhythm going, it's not too bad. One more. Perfect. Come up from your squat, and we are on to the very last exercise of this head to toe workout. Now, this one is a lateral frontal raise combo, okay? So, you're gonna lift frontally, laterally, down, right? Just like so. And we're gonna go for 10 of those. If you wanna go for 8, that's okay, but we're gonna aim for 10. Okay, let's do it, guys. Trust me, these little dumbbells are gonna get heavy after this. Make sure you're breathing. This is working your shoulders. Back is nice and straight. We're halfway done. We got 5 more to go. Three more, you can do it. Push through these last 3. And you are done. Push hard right here. One more trip. And you're all done. You can set those weights down now. Oh, you guys are great. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's been a pleasure training with you. And I also want to thank you guys for following me on my fitness journey and coming with me along the way and being so supportive in your comments and likes and everything. It means a lot to me. And I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I hope to see you right here next time.
We really hope you enjoyed today's workout. If you did, please subscribe to our channel on YouTube and like it. And we love your comments telling us what you loved about the workout. Thank you so much. If you would like uninterrupted workouts, if you would like to search by trainer, you can go to our website, GymRa.com, and you can filter it. You can choose different exercises. You can choose your trainers. It's awesome. Furthermore, you can also go to Shop GymRa for completely uninterrupted videos, and also we have some gear on there that you might be interested in. Thank you all so much for watching. We really appreciate having you with us at GymRa. I'm Alice Maples, and see you next time.